Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tech tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Ticketmaster tickets from Apple Wallet in 2025. If you've got concert tickets or event passes stored in your Apple Wallet and need to share them with a friend, this guide will get you sorted in no time. It's a straightforward process that's been streamlined with the latest 2025 updates, making it faster and more user-friendly. Let's jump right in. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version and that you have the most recent Ticketmaster app installed. This will prevent any glitches and make the transfer seamless. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and open the Apple Wallet app. It's the one with the wallet icon on your home screen, super easy to find. Step 2. Scroll through your passes until you spot the Ticketmaster ticket you want to transfer. Tap on it to open the details. Step 3. Look for the Share or Transfer button, which should be prominently displayed thanks to the 2025 enhancements. Give it a tap to proceed. Step 4. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's email address or phone number linked to their Ticketmaster account. Make sure it's correct to avoid any issues. Step 5. Review the transfer details, then hit Confirm or Send. You'll receive a confirmation notification once it's complete. A quick tip. Not all tickets are transferable, so check the ticket details in advance. Also, if you run into problems, head to the Ticketmaster app's help section or contact their support for assistance. And there you have it. You're all set. Transferring tickets has never been easier. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.